To upgrade your productivity and efficiency and to become one with your code editor, you need to know these shortcuts in VS Code. Stop fumbling around with your mouse and painstakingly copying and cutting your code. Instead, all you have to do is place the cursor anywhere on the line you want to copy or cut and hit Command C or Command X. VS Code will copy or cut the whole line. Paste using Command V. Why select and delete lines when you can wipe out the entire line with a single command? Use Command P or Control P to open the command palette. You can use the command palette to search or navigate your endless files and folders. With a simple greater than sign in the command palette, you can run a bunch of commands in VS Code like git clone. You can even go to a certain line through the command palette. Use the colon sign and open a portal to the line you want to go to. You can reach the Go to Line shortcut by using the Control G option as well. You can also go to the description and subscribe to the channel. You can use the @ sign in the command palette to go to a specific symbol in your code. As you can see in this file, I can go to makeName function by using the command palette and the @ sign. You can even go to variables. You can also use Command Shift dot to achieve the same. To find symbols in your whole project, use the hash sign and start typing the symbol name. To summon the terminal, you can use the Control backtick option. We talked about this shortcut in the last video, which you can check out right here. By default, you will see the PowerShell open for the Windows machines and Z Shell open for the Mac machines. If you want to use the Bash terminal, you can use the plus sign. If you want to edit same characters on different lines, you can do that magic using Command D. Highlight the text that you want to edit, and if it appears multiple times in your code and you want to edit all of them, use Command D to do so. You have to press Command D multiple times to select the next character in the file. Once all the characters are highlighted, start typing to edit the characters. Tired of selecting, cutting, and pasting to move lines in VS Code? Instead, use Option up arrow or Option down arrow to move lines in VS Code. If you want to copy and paste the line into new lines, use Option Shift down arrow. Commenting lines individually can be a nightmare, unlike this video, so please leave a like if you got this far. The easiest way to comment on a multi-line code in VS Code is to select multiple lines and using Command /. You can use Command right arrow or Command left arrow to parkour to the end or beginning of the line. You can also use the Option right arrow or Option left arrow to skip a character to the right or left. If you want to make a character selection, use Shift Option left or right arrow to make selections to the left or right. If you want to make an entire line selection, use Shift Command left or right arrow. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Like and subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one.